Hey everyone! Welcome to the GenAI Creator Workshop, where your creativity meets the magic of AI in an epic journey. Today, we're going to have a blast creating our very own music videos using some cutting-edge AI tools. Imagine crafting a music video that could top the charts, combining the beats of a catchy song with visuals straight out of your dreams, all directed by you. Whether you're a fan of the heart-pumping beats of rock or the smooth rhythms of pop, by the end of this video, you'll have a hit that looks and sounds uniquely yours. Let's jump right in and make some musical magic together. First up, every good music video needs catchy lyrics. If you already have one, fantastic. But if you're staring at a blank page, don't worry. Let's head over to an AI songwriter. For today, we'll use suno.com, an incredible tool that not only helps you write song lyrics, but also composes the music and even sings the vocals for you. It's like having your personal music studio. Let's start by visiting suno.com. You can find the link below this video. Once you're on suno.ai, click Sign Up and log in with your Google account for quick access. Once logged in, head to the Create section on the left panel. Here, type a brief description of your desired song theme, be it a summer adventure or a patriotic song. Hit Create and suno.ai will generate a few song variations. Listen, pick your favorite, and hit Download to get your custom track ready for the next steps. Now that we have our song, let's bring it visually to life. For this, we'll use Midjourney, an excellent tool for creating stunning visuals that match your song's theme. Since our track is an Indian patriotic song, imagine scenes featuring the Indian flag, children playing, and soldiers. These visuals will deepen the song's impact. Here's how to do it. Head over to Midjourney. In the Midjourney channel, type /image followed by a detailed description of what you envision for each part of the song. For example, if you want a scene with kids playing under the Indian flag, describe that. Midjourney will then generate beautiful, unique images based on your prompts. Continue this process to create multiple images, ensuring you have a series of visuals to cover different parts of your song. With these images, your song will not only sound impactful, but also visually narrate the story you want to tell. Once we've crafted our stunning images with Midjourney, it's time to bring them to life. For this, we'll use Runway ML, an excellent generative AI tool that transforms static images into dynamic visuals, making it perfect for our music video. To start, visit the website at app.runwayml.com. Link is below this video. Log in using your Google account for quick access. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section and select the Image to Video tool. Here, upload the images we created earlier and hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, you'll see your static images turn into beautifully animated videos on the right side of the screen. Repeat this process for each image to create a sequence of videos that bring your song to life in a visually captivating way. Next, we need to put all these pieces together, and for that, we'll use Clipchamp. It is a super user-friendly video editing tool that lets you combine your animated scenes with your music track. First, navigate to Clipchamp through the link below this video and sign up if you haven't already. It's simple. Just use your Google account to log in. Once you're in, create a new project and start uploading your animated clips and voiceover files. Clipchamp's drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to arrange your scenes just the way you want them. Don't forget to preview your video to ensure everything lines up perfectly with the beat and rhythm of your song. Once you're happy with your creation, hit the Export button. Clipchamp will render your music video. And voila, you've just created your very own music video. And that's it. You've written a song, created visuals, animated them, and stitched everything together into a fantastic music video. Great job!